Hello everyone, good afternoon everyone. I'm Supata. This video would like to show when I scan document to CRM, okay? Information of my customer. Nice skits to CRM. Okay, let's begin. Is correct and attach file, create album. New installation. Oh, in Thai language. Okay. I show one skits, okay, and I have 9 skits last week ago, and today I have to cross job new installation 2 skits, okay. And I will practice cross job by CM manual, okay. I have to practice every workday CM manual because I am afraid forgot how to use close job by CIM manual, okay. Okay, upload, save, and recheck, okay. Preview, recheck, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, scrape, close window, and CAP 3.0 J 0756. Okay, surname is correct. Brent. Okay. Stepper and okay, and fill in the file file. Okay, I show everyone enough because I do it later, okay. And when I do it finished, I have to fill in the file file of a cabinet of document, okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Goodbye. สวัสดีค่ะ